Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about JavaScript. There are two type. One is I am going to categorize different car and year of models. I need to sort based on the year of model. I need to sort is a car name alphabetical orders. What will happen? This code where car type Volvo, Safari, BMW display the car function by function car dot sort function e comma b where x equal to a dot type dot to lowercase where y equal to b dot type to lowercase if x greater than y x less than y return -1 return +1 finally is return 0. So display the car. What is the display car method? Document dot get element id demo dot inner dot html car 0 dot type car 1 dot type car 2 dot type car 0 dot 1 year car 1 dot year 2 dot here within the break tag used within the script tag. These are the val codes are happening inside the script tag. I'm going to run the code. What will happen here? Volvo 2016, Safari 2001 and BMW 2010. I need to sort BMW 2010, Safari 2001, Volvo 2016. Based on that, it's a character wise, like BMW, Safari is alphabet. Alphabet wise can sort the value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.